A is not correct, right?
Hmm?
A is not correct.
It's not.
Hmm. There's something decimal points.
Oh no, it's D. It's D. It's
mm,
D.
Now, see point 125 divide 0.05. Now, in this case, there are two decimal here. You take it out. That means you have to multiply by 100 actually. If you bring this two decimal here, it becomes 0.5 mean 5.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to do the two decimal out, same direction, this way. It becomes 12.5. That is the first step, right? Remove the decimal of outside number. This is the way you did, or now after that you just divide. 5, how many 5s in 12 is 2, 10. 2 by 5, 10. Take away 12 minus 10, 2. But there's a decimal point. We put the decimal point same location. Bring this 5 down to 25. How many 5s in 25? 5. Put the 5 here. 5 times 5, 25. Don't worry about decimal point. It's just then 25 minus 25 is 0. Right? Answer is 2.5. Can you work out? Can you write down?
I had B. Oh yeah, I had B. Yeah, I got it correct
Oh, you got B? Oh, okay.
on my test. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Lakshmi, you know how to do the decimal division? You are confident? Oh, you
Yeah.
had to work. Okay. Number 7, fraction. You just learn fractions, but they are written differently. Heart and the spade. Card pack, two symbols.
Yeah.
Now just learned how to divide. See, it came this question paper now. It doesn't tell your divide 7 over 12 divided by this one, but it doesn't tell itself. Just divide the heart, divide by spade. We call this spade. Card pack has 4 symbols. Diamond, heart, red color heart, spade.
That's clubs.
Clubs. What is the other one?
The spade is the upside down the
Upside
part
down.
with like
Heart.
the.
Yeah. Then you know that one. That's good. If you have not seen, maybe confused. Now instead of telling 12, 7 or 12, they are telling this one divided by this one. How do you do that? Now 10 minutes ago you learned fraction, all the operations. One of that. Is it addition or subtraction, multiple, division? Which one?
Multiple?
Wrong. See here, it's a division.
Oh.
You substitute, you replace this one.
Oh, wait. I know.
I need the answer. Okay.
Wait. Oh.
Still doing?
Yeah. No, I can't find it.
See, well, that's very easy. 7 over 12 heart divided by clubs 1 over 24. If it is division, what do you do? Become multiple, right? 7 over 12 times this go up, this go down. 24 over 1. Right? Did you get that statement correct?
Oh.
Then you think top and bottom which number you can divide. Otherwise, you have to do big numbers multiple.
$14.
Yeah, 12 times 12 divided by 1, 24 divided by 12, 2. 14, yes. Yeah, that's good. Now see this question paper, yeah, that easy, right? Oh, yeah. Okay, we go for the next one.